wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best baby nail clippers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. If you often squint during your child's grooming session, then the Safety First Clear View features a magnifying glass that lets you view your baby's fingers more clearly and reduces the chance of accidents. Also, this pair seems to stay sharp for a while. The handle is easy to hold and is made of lead-free metal, but it's not super durable. At number 6, this affordable pair from the First Year's American Red Cross features an ergonomic, easy-to-grip shape that reduces the chances of it slipping through your hands. They're robust enough to use on slightly older children as well. They're equipped with stainless steel blades and produce fairly clean cuts. However, the magnifier tends to distort the image. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the straightforward nuby infant looks just like an adult pair, only downsized for tiny hands, so anyone will be instantly familiar with its operation. As a bonus, it's surprisingly effective for removing adult hangnails as well. It's easy to control and sports cute printed designs, but the edges dull fairly quickly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baby nail clippers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the Aumio Electric is especially great for fidgety infants, as its motor is strong enough to trim down their nails, but it stops automatically when it detects excess pressure. It's equipped with a light that lets you see clearly in dim environments. It works fairly quietly and comes with a handy traveling case and adjustable speed settings. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you want to trim your kids' nails while they're asleep, the Little Martin's Draw Kit operates so quietly you might just get away with it. Rather than using blades, it sands down edges with a rotary action and offers an adjustable speed and several attachments. It runs on 2 AA batteries and includes 3 cushioned heads. It's available in blue or pink. At number 2, while it is somewhat more expensive than other similar options, the fridababy nailfrida makes up for it with its innovative and useful features. Its patented spy hole allows you to see exactly what you're about to clip, and it's safe for everyone from newborns to toddlers. It comes with an S-shaped nail file and doesn't create any noise. It minimizes the chance of cutting skin. And coming in at number 1 on our list, coming in at a lower price than many of its competitors, the Safety First Steady Grip strikes a great balance between quality and value. It features a large handle that's lined with firm rubber and rests comfortably in the hand. It's equipped with a lever that folds easily into the body, curved blade edges, and a sturdy construction. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baby nail clippers, or simply click beneath this video.